Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Khadija and today's video is going to be a luxury unboxing. Today I am reviewing a bag from Chanel, so if you guys are interested in seeing what I got, then keep on watching. So this bag is from Easy Luxury. I have previously reviewed some of their bags on my channel before. I love their quality. So the bag comes in the standard Chanel box. We have the ribbon and the little bow. So inside the box we have the receipt and booklets. So the bag comes in the standard Chanel dust bag. So the bag I decided to get is the Chanel medium flap in this gorgeous metallic silver. I am so in love with this shade. I've been dreaming of a silver Chanel bag forever. This has been on my wish list and I finally have it. So this is in lambskin and then we have it in silver hardware, which I think just complements the bag so well. This bag is honestly stunning. Probably my favorite handbag in my collection thus far. It's just so beautiful, you guys. So the details with this bag, we have the CC turn lock. So it just opens like this. We do have the zipper and then the double flap. We have the puffy CC logo right here and it does say Chanel made in Italy. So this is what the inside looks like. As you guys know, the Chanel flap has the two slip pockets and then the lipstick holder in the middle. This bag does have the microchip right here. And then there is a extra slip pocket right here. When you turn the bag over, there is the Mona Lisa pocket. I love to put my phone in here. You can wear the bag as a shoulder bag like this or as a crossbody. So I think the medium size is the perfect size if you guys are looking to get a Chanel classic flap. So the seller did ship through FedEx and it took about 2 weeks to get to me, which is really good. Communication with the seller is always good. So definitely hit them up on Instagram if you guys have any questions. So that is the end of my review on this gorgeous silver Chanel classic flap. Please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you guys like these luxury unboxings and want to see more. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any bag suggestions that you would like me to review as well. And I will see you guys in my next one.